The Labour Party on Thursday tendered over 18,000 polling unit results, which it says were downloaded from the INEC result viewing portal. But the result sheet, which were to serve as evidence in its petition challenging February 25, 2023 presidential election, were all blurry. Counsel for Obi, Onyeachi Ikpeazu, told the court that the documents came out as blurred from the INEC result viewing website after it was downloaded. The Labour Party also presented its fourth and fifth witnesses. One of them is Eric Ofuegbu, a professor of mathematics from the Anambra State University, Awka. 3 reports were tendered through the witness, along with his statement on oath. The reports include election scores analysis in Rivers State, another one from Benue State, as well as the statistical investigation on the votes scored by the candidates in the presidential election. The reports and witness statements were admitted as evidence before the court and marked as exhibits amidst objections by INEC, Bola Tinubu, Kashim Shettima and the APC. The cross-examination of the mathematician has been reserved till Friday. The petitioners also presented a video display in court wherein the INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu was seen assuring that the election result will be transmitted from the over 176,000 polling units and that the IREF will be the archive for Nigerians to access the results at any time. In the matter between the PDP, Atiku Abubakar versus Tinubu, INEC and APC, the presidential election petition court got to its grueling stages as the petitioners continued to present their cases while the court recorded the testimonies of their witnesses. On Thursday, the expert witness of the PDP, Samuel Odunton, a statistician, is taken through the fire of cross-examination by the respondents. Starting with INEC, the statistician says that he began his work of reading and analyzing the INEC forms EC8A, which are the polling unit result sheets, in April 2023. It took him a month to complete his work. He tells the court that the polling unit result sheets were his main source of primary data, which are reviewed and fact-checked for errors before recomputing. According to him, irregularities were observed in some of the forms EC8A, which had no INEC stamp or signature of the presiding officer. Among the results he claimed to have reviewed is that of PU 009 in Ward 6 of Onyeachi local government. The witness is presented with the result sheet from that polling unit, showing the opposite of his claims. INEC lawyer Abubakar Mahmoud seeks to tender it as evidence, but the petitioners object. The court admits it anyway, reserving ruling on the objection till later. The witness is also taken through cross-examination by Tinubu's lawyer, Wale Olanipekun, who notes that the analysis done by the expert witness failed to include election results from the FCT and was restricted to only the 3 leading political parties out of the 18 that took part in the presidential election. But the witness testifies that the votes scored by the 18 political parties were part of his analysis. Under the pressure of cross-examination, the statistician admits that there were irregularities in the 12 states won by the PDP and the 12 won by the Labour Party. Pushed further by the lawyer, the witness admits that even in the states won by Atiku Abubakar, there were some irregular votes which he deducted to arrive at his conclusion. He also said the irregular votes extended to Kano State, where the NNPP won with over 1.4 million votes. The APC lead counsel, Lateef Fagbemi, also extracts an admittance from the witness that his statistical analysis of the electoral fraud in his report on the polling unit result sheets did not distinguish those signed and stamped from those not signed. Also, a deputy director of certification and complaints in the legal drafting and clearance department of INEC, Morenikeji Tairu, appeared before the court on a subpoena. She tenders 4 out of the 11 documents and the accreditation data of previous machines from the 36 states and the FCT in soft and hard copies. The documents were admitted by the court amidst objection from the respondents, including INEC.
You know the black